So first things first, you must moisturize your hair. It's very important whenever you do a protective style. I don't care what it is, you must moisturize your hair. As you can see, I'm putting a large amount because I want to make sure my hair is really moisturized under these locks because I'm going to be keeping them in for a while. So yeah, moisturize, people, moisturize. Alright, so here I'm parting where I want my braids to be. As you see, I'll braid it and I'll add 4 pieces of the kinky hair that I have. And to make them long, that's how I'll make them long. Like I'll stretch it all the way out and then connect the ends together. And that's how you have your locks super long. So once you put them together, you're going to start braiding that on top of your braid. So as you can see, I'm using my braid as the third leg, and I'm going to keep braiding a couple of times so it can just blend in. And once I get to a certain point, I'll start adding one of the pieces to my hair and everything will just come together. Now, as you can see, I'm braiding it, but I'm not going to braid all the way down because you don't need to. Some people do twist it under, but you know, it's your choice. So I'll just braid it halfway just so I know it's secure and it's not going to come out or whatever. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're locking it. You're going to be wrapping that part. So nobody's going to see that but you until you unlock it. But for now, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just braid it, make sure it's secure. So after you're done, you're just going to start wrapping it. As you can see, I wrap it at the top like a couple of times so I know it's secure and the wrap won't fall apart. And then I'll start wrapping it all the way down. And let you know. Alright, so this part, I'm going to just speed it up, but as you can see, you're going to run out of hair once you start wrapping. So once you do that, just add another piece. That's all you need to do, just add another piece when you run out of hair wrapping. These locks are really, really long, so you're going to run out of hair a couple of times, but if you do, just add another piece and you'll be fine, sis. Alright, so that's it. That's all you do. I hope you love this video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below if you have any questions. Share with anybody that needs to see this, girl. Oh, look at them long locks. Yes. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.